Have you experienced sudden darkness during the daytime? Have you seen the moon turn red during nighttime?
Have you ever thought about how they happen in the first place? Join me as I welcome to the world's amazing phenomena called eclipse. The Earth revolves around the Sun as it rotates. The path of the Earth around the Sun is referred to as its orbit. Along that orbit, Earth travels around the Sun once every 365 days and 6 hours. The Moon revolves around the Earth in the same way that the Earth revolves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit every year. Due to all interrelated motions happening between these three celestial bodies, several physical phenomena occur. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, casting shadows on a certain part of the Earth. Since the Moon is smaller than the Sun, it completely blocks its Sun's rays, preventing solar eclipse from being visible from all parts of the Earth. When the Moon eclipses the Sun, it casts two types of shadow on Earth: the umbra, which is small and very dark shadow, and the penumbra, which is a larger and relatively lighter shadow. Solar eclipses are classified into three types. When the Moon crosses in front of the Sun, it causes a partial solar eclipse. And when the Moon partially covers the Sun, it causes annular solar eclipse. When the Moon completely covers the Sun, it causes a total solar eclipse. The lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is in between the Sun and the Moon, blocking the Sun frame from reaching the Moon. A lunar eclipse can be seen from Earth at night, and there are two types of lunar eclipses. A total lunar eclipse appears red because sun's rays hit the Earth's atmosphere and scatter its light to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Since red has the highest energy and frequency, it will bend towards the Moon and reflect the Moon as red. A lunar eclipse only occurs during a full moon. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when a portion of the Moon passes into Earth's shadow. The Earth's shadow appears very dark side of the Moon, facing Earth during a partial lunar eclipse. Experts say that watching a lunar eclipse with the naked eye is completely safe. However, watching a solar eclipse with the naked eye is extremely dangerous, because doing so can result in permanent eye injuries. I am Dennis Junior Pascubilio from Iligan City National High School, and remember, never look direct at the sun. Doing so can permanently damage your eyes.